I'm not letting you do this. I'm not
No,
stopping.
no, no, no. There's a homeless guy. I want to give him the Popeyes. I want to give him the Popeyes. There's a homeless guy. Please pull over.
Oh, he got something.
Hey, you want to do this?
Yeah. Do you want Popeyes chicken? I love you.
You see that humble, kind guy handing over that Popeyes? Yeah, that's me. I bet you're wondering how I got in this situation. Well, it all started when my friends and I got in a fight about which chicken nugget was the best chicken nugget. We couldn't decide which fast food restaurant had the best chicken nuggets, so we decided to put it to the test. We drove around and got a bunch of nuggets from all these different fast food restaurants, and I'm not gonna lie, it was a lot of fun. What you're about to watch is the full chicken nugget experience. We taste test nuggets from all of the favorite fast food restaurants and find for sure who has the best chicken nuggets. So sit back and relax and watch my friends and I spend $30 trying to find the best chicken around. I encourage you to get comfortable, grab a bucket of popcorn because this video is going to be a long one. You're going to get the full chicken nugget experience. So without further ado, welcome to Nugget Tour.
Here's we're driving, destroying Neil's car.
It is currently 4 in the morning.
Yep.
And we are out in Wisconsin trying to find the best nuggets. Yeah, we're all together. We just want some nugs.
Entourage for that?
Yeah.
Yes, we're on a
b-bops? Is that what's
Actually, we're on a quest. We're trying to get nuggets from every area and find the best nuggets.
Oh, you already know.
Oh yeah, yes sir, yes sir.
It's frozen.
I just want everyone to know that this car reeks of chicken nuggets.
We've only gotten one thing.
And we've only gotten one nugget. Yes. Yes. Oh yeah, it's fairway. Whoa, are those dinosaur nuggets?
Dude.
I'm gonna kill myself. I just want you guys to know that we spent 20 minutes planning out the route to find the optimal time to get nuggets.
And I messed it up.
And CJ messed it up.
Good job, CJ. We're gonna get 10 piece or 20 piece.
Both.
Hi, can I get a 10-piece chicken McNugget? Thank you.
Hey,
Nug tour!
Yeah!
Give me the nuggets. Just looked at you.
Alright guys, we have 3 nuggets out of
She looked very concerned.
5?
She's
6? So we're halfway done.
Can I get a 10-piece chicken nugget?
I get any sauce with that, sir?
Any sauce?
What kind of sauces do you have?
What kind of sauces do you have?
I have barbecue, honey mustard, sweet and sour, zesty, ranch, and buffalo.
Zesty Ranch!
Zesty.
Zesty and ranch?
Yeah, sure.
All right, what else for you?
I think that should do it.
That was one
Okay,
sauce.
about a 59-second window here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, in my defense, he said Zesty Ranch.
He was
There was
supposed to
there was no comma. We're dropping in at Kentucky Fried Chicken.
We're in Kentucky now.
Right now, we drove from Wisconsin to Kentucky just for the chicken. That's how dedicated we are.
Sweet lightning. Do they have that?
We don't have chicken nuggets, we have popcorn chicken.
Then get that.
Yeah, that works.
I have a popcorn chicken with things like a good and honey mustard, $4.59 at the window.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nug tour.
Nug tour!
It's kind of good, not gonna lie.
Kentucky
I really
Fried
wanna try
Chicken
this. I really want to try
has so far had
everything in here.
the most expensive nuggets. Now, technically, it was popcorn chicken. So, but it still counts. It's still technically chicken nuggets.
Chick-fil-A's right there, left.
Chick-fil-A.
It's number 3, right?
Chick-fil-A, my name is Tori. How may I serve you?
Hi, can I get 12-count chicken nuggets?
12 pound nuggets, certainly. Just the entree or the
Just the entree.
Sounds good. Anything else I can do for you? Sauce?
Nope, that should do it.
Sounds good. Give me $6.20 and your pleasure for your pizza.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Nug tour. So for some reason, we're at Popeyes now.
What is this? This makes chicken number 7.
Do you guys have chicken nuggets?
No.
Oh, drive away. Drive off.
Do you guys have popcorn chicken?
That's not nugget quality.
Get that.
Sure, we'll go popcorn shrimp.
Me. They walked in.
Oh, they
Yeah.
Oh.
Walked there.
Wait, does Taco Bell have nuggets?
We gotta stop making detours, man.
Probably should have tried that.
We're here. Our final destination.
Thank you.
Have a good one. Thank you.
Oh, you got something.
Hey, you want to do this?
Yeah. Do you want Popeye's chicken? I love you. Hey, open the door for me, CJ. Do you kids like YouTube?
Yes. Sure.
You should subscribe to my YouTube channel.
It's called.
TheRealNeilPack.
Oh, I forgot they're dinosaurs.
Okay, currently we are cooking the dinosaur McNuggets. Frick, I keep saying McNuggets.
Stop saying McNuggets.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm
15?
probably gonna be able to tell which ones are the Tyson.
Oh yeah, I forgot this is a blind taste test.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna put you in the microwave too, Hoagie. Come on, let's go. Yeah. Underneath the plate.
Alright, let's go.
What are we doing? What are we doing?
Alright, blindfold.
Blindfolds on.
Alright, boys. You're gonna get a nugget.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna taste the nugget blindfolded.
Mm.
There's nothing on you don't have to be scared of looking. You're gonna taste the nugget. And you're going to guess where it's from.
Okay.
Then you will take off the blindfold and taste it with the sauce. Maybe. And then rank it on the list of these places.
Show the special sauce.
And we have Szechuan sauce. That's like
A year old.
a year old.
Yeah. Neil, you're.
Alright, let's go. Are you okay, Neil?
Neil's moaning. He's going.
I was not.
I thought that was a cat. Like, I'm just gonna ignore that.
I was not moaning.
The first nug.
What is it? Where's it from?
That's the point of the game.
Dinosaur.
No, he opened the bag, so it can't be the Tyson.
Alright, it's on your plates.
I haven't had chicken nuggets in a long time.
Okay, I got it. Can we just eat it?
Neil, take up. Neil, it's on your plate.
Can we eat it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm feeling it. I actually know what this is before I even have to eat it.
Maybe I should have put it in your mouth.
Should I
Probably.
should I just eat it?
Yeah, you should probably eat it.
I actually kind of forgot like how many
Oh, this
places
is
we went
weird.
to.
Yeah, I forgot.
Oh, do you want the list?
I forgot what
Yeah.
we ordered from where, so I.
So there is b-bops. There is Chick-fil-A. There's Wendy's. There's KFC. There's Burger King.
Oh,
And
I know where it's
McDonald's.
from.
There's McDonald's as
Yeah.
well.
Okay, that was really good.
On the count of three, you're all going to say where it's from. 1, 2, 3.
KFC.
Yeah,
Daniel, where'd you say?
You all got it
KFC.
right.
Oh, it was
Yeah, it's
KFC?
Yeah.
Okay.
It definitely tasted like popcorn chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right,
Also
now,
the size.
Now you can unblindfold. Here is another nougat.
Next time I'm just gonna eat it like this.
And the finger.
That's a bad idea.
Do you need...
No.
We have...
I want to get a lot on here.
And then you will rank it.
Sauce doesn't taste like much.
Why did you get one pen?
Oh, that's my bad.
Neil's dumb.
Your mom's dumb.
There's 6?
She's-
I think it's actually a 4. But
It's supposed to be a 4.
Neil, your handwriting is...
It's awful.
Shut up.
I didn't say it.
Ooh, Neil's touching me. I felt Oh! What?
What's going on over here?
What are you doing, Neil?
That's a pillowcase. Oh my god. Wait, where's the opening?
Put it over your head except for the mouth.
Trying to the opening.
Other side. No, that side.
Did I get it?
That's not gonna really cover it, so you still have to close your eyes. But the next nug.
Is it down?
It will be soon.
Oh. We'll be seeing on the
There you go.
over there.
Ooh.
I will guide you.
That's a feeling. No, Neil actually bent down. That's a feeling.
I can feel the dinosaur swirling around in my teeth.
Yeah. CJ, I need you to answer me this. Is it sort of moist in that bag?
A little bit, yeah.
I think
All of the paper is moist.
Alright, I think we all
this
know what
might
this one
be
is.
soggy. This way, I'm thinking because this.
Wait, did you give us all different ones?
No.
I think it.
Okay.
I think it just made the other one soggy. So I have a guess.
Everyone ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Tyson Nugs.
What was the correct answer?
So Daniel said b-bops.
I said
McDonald's.
I said b-bops.
Oh, okay. Daniel said McDonald's. Neil said Tyson. And Ben said b-bops.
Yes.
You're all wrong.
What?
It's not a dinosaur. I can tell you that.
Mine felt like a dinosaur.
You're only eating it with your mouth.
Where is it?
It's in the middle of the plate.
Okay, I think I might know what this is.
I gotta feel it first. Oh, I know where it is. I know it's from.
Everyone ready?
Yeah.
For part 2? 1, 2, 3.
Wendy's.
What'd you say, Daniel?
Wendy's.
I should Burger King.
Ben's right, it's Burger King.
What?
Yeah, the
Neil, you might want to not have a point at the top of your head.
Oh.
Oh, well then.
Alright, next nug. Alright, you have a nug.
Alright.
Ooh, thick
Feels
boy.
weird.
I'm getting a smell. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna guess.
1, 2, 3.
McDonald's.
Oh, I knew it was McDonald's. I know it. It's McDonald's. I'm gonna change my answer.
No, no, you said Wendy's.
All of you are wrong. You want another one?
What?
Okay, then I have.
Want another nug?
It's Popeyes.
I know
No,
this.
Do you want another nug?
Nope.
Yeah, I do. I do.
I'm gonna. I think I know what it is now.
1, 2, 3.
B-bops.
B-bops.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, here's Bebop's cheese sauce.
Oh, the cheese.
Oh goodness. Hold on.
There's barbecue sauce too if you want it.
Take one for the team.
But the cheese will be
What?
more
That's so
exciting.
weird. It looks like
It's so gross looking.
This looks disgusting.
It tastes like.
But it wasn't bad though.
It looks like plastic.
I'm gonna write note. Tastes like moist McNug.
Oh, they're cold.
Oh, my nugget just touched Neil.
Oh,
Good. So should
Is
be.
Oreo down there?
yeah. These Tyson McNuggets, not McNuggets.
I don't know if this is worse than the Burger King one.
These Tyson
think it's
nuggets are cold already.
I could go for some water.
Man, that's really unfortunate.
I'll get some more after. My stomach is making noises.
Yeah, I love that time. That thing every time you like your stomach, it makes that gurgly noise. It's cute.
No.
Cute.
Oh, I know what it
We've
is.
had B-bops.
I know what it is.
B-bops, Burger King.
Where is it? I can't find it.
Oh.
Oh, it's so bad.
It's so bad. It's so bad. I'm not even gonna finish it.
1, 2, 3.
Tyson.
What'd you say, Daniel?
I said dinosaur.
Fairway.
Alright, boys. Neil.
He needs that water. Skim the water.
Dasani.
What does that mean?
We're sponsored by Dasani.
It's coming to go water.
That's not the song.
So what do we have down? We have b-bops.
We have Wendy's, McDonald's, and what else left?
We did not do Wendy's.
Good. No, he was saying what we have left. I'll let
Wendy's,
you.
McDonald's.
I'll just let you figure it out.
What else is there?
Good question.
I'm feeling my nipples.
Excuse me.
Do we have Chick-fil-A already? No, we haven't. So it's Wendy's, McDonald's, and Chick-fil-A. Those are the three that we have left.
Dude, he probably just picked up Chick-fil-A. Probably like, oh shoot, that was.
Alright, open wide, boys.
No.
I'm doing it.
Oh, what?
Open up, Daniel. This is gross.
What the heck?
I couldn't get it past your teeth.
That sounds really good.
It is. Well, I have my answer.
Ready?
Yep.
Neil?
Yeah, I think I'm ready.
1, 2, 3.
Chick-fil-A?
Yeah.
Oh.
It was real chicken.
It was
Dang.
good chicken.
Hold up, you're already putting it at the top?
Putting it down?
Yep.
No cap. No cap.
Tyson.
We have McDonald's and Wendy's left.
What are we gonna eat with sauce?
Do we have Chick-fil-A
Oh,
sauce?
yeah, we do.
It's specifically called Chick-fil-A sauce.
That's cool.
It's real chicken.
I've never had Chick-fil-A sauce.
That's really good.
Mm-hmm.
That's a weird sauce.
Yeah, it is, but it's pretty good.
Weird, but
It's
really
different. I need another.
I can recognize McDonald's from anywhere, so I think I'm
But
pretty set.
can you?
Maybe.
I want to actually try to do this, so don't just be like, oh, it's McDonald's. You know? That's what you sound like.
I can't.
Why are there so many napkins in the bag?
What is going on over there?
Stabbed my eye. What is it?
Alright, you have your second to last nugget.
Should have just put them both on.
I don't like how this feels.
Ooh.
It was weird.
Ooh. Oh.
That tasted like every single nugget.
Alright, new nugget.
This feels like the dinosaur one. I don't like that.
Oh, it's so soggy.
Eat it, Benjamin.
I haven't even swallowed my first.
Eat it.
Alright, ready? What was the first one in? 1, 2, 3.
McDonald's.
Wendy's.
What?
What, Daniel?
The first one was Wendy's. The second one was McDonald's.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Hey, Oreo.
Alright,
To be
here
fair,
is,
I haven't had McDonald's.
here is Wendy's chicken
I'm
nugget.
not, I'm not eating that again. It was bad.
Oh.
But you gotta try the creamy sriracha sauce. Creamy sriracha.
I'm already about to barf, man.
Alright, I'm taking one for the team. I'm gonna...
Szechuan? I'm gonna do that too. Szechuan McNuggets.
The Szechuan sauce.
Oh, so
no.
rare.
Wow, is that mold?
Now we're eating the Szechuan Mulan sauce. The actual real Szechuan sauce.
They brought back.
They brought it back.
And I have like 8
Like
of
a
them.
year ago.
If you don't believe us,
Oh, smell it. You smell it.
Szechuan.
Smell it.
It's like
That's
McDonald's.
a long nugget.
This is a lot. This is bigger than my nose.
Oreo, you want to try some nuggets?
Eat the nugget, Ben.
Sorry, the cat is in the way.
That is really good.
Alright, boys.
It's definitely got an Asian kick to it.
Here's your order. Now rank.
I think Daniel's doing it first.
You can all do it. Oh, one pen.
Bong? What's bong?
Berg.
Oh.
Bong.
Look how much chicken we're eating, guys.
There's so much
Can I try the Wendy's again? I'm gonna sign this.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, if you like and subscribe, and then I'll choose a random person in the comments to get our orders.
The napkin.
The napkins.
We'll give you a soggy McDonald's nugget.
We'll mail it to your house. Just put your phone number, your address
The credit card number, the 3 numbers on the back, and the expiration date.
in the comments below. Also, a picture of your mom.
We're talking to you neighbor kids that we talked to outside. You know who you are.
Yeah.
This is a mistake. Why did we do this?
Nugget tour, man.
It's like
All 3 of your handwritings look like children.
Yeah.
So all of you had the same 1 in 7.
Yeah.
Chick-fil-A has the best nuggets of all time.
Yeah.
Right.
That's right.
And Tyson is the worst.
Okay, what did Neil put for number 3? B-bops.
Yes.
Bruh.
B-bops were fine.
Yeah.
I mean, it was 4 for me, so.
Oh, they
Hey, B-bops is
They
5.
look like
You
flat.
thought Wendy's was number 2?
Yeah, that's why I think you're dumb. Wendy's has good nuggets.
No, they don't.
Where'd you put Wendy's? You
They
put
were
Wendy's at
bad.
5? I have Wendy's at
Yeah,
5.
Wendy's, Burger King
I
had
put
better.
Wendy's at 3.
Burger King had better what? What?
Yes, then
Burger King
Wendy's.
was
Then Wendy's.
trash.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you comment, you could win these if you want. This is Daniel.
Daniel, sign it. Sign it,
Sign
Daniel.
it. You put Chick-fil-A, Wendy's, KFC,
Oh, I got all my
b-bops,
hands.
McDonald's,
Give me a nap.
Borg, Tyson. You're wrong, by the way.
Says you.
Dude, mine is correct.
Wendy's has good nuggets.
Chick-fil-A, number
It's
1.
in there.
KFC's number 2. B-bops,
Just wipe it out.
Burger King, Wendy's, McDonald's, and then Tyson. McDonald's is trash. Chick-fil-A, KFC, Wendy's, McDonald's, b-bops, Burger King, and Tyson. You guys is like very similar.
Yeah. That's why we're married. Exactly.
B-bops and
Oh, it is. Yeah. If you looked at the promotional image that Neil was looking
That's a
at,
thumbnail.
they looked very similar.
That's a thumbnail.
Yeah, wait, let me get it on that. This is the dumbest video that we've ever.
I got a blowy nose.
My mouth is right here.